So today was the last day of the Emergencies Act in federal court, and we're going to get a binding decision from a sitting judge about the court case, which is a bit different than what we saw with the Public Order Emergencies Act. That was not binding. That was a truth-seeking process. Here, the federal court is meant to use actual evidence, and what I saw a lot of was still hearsay. She said, he said, news reports said, and I do hope that the judge in this case really takes a second look that the evidence showed, and that's what I want to focus on, not the government's arguments, but the evidence showed, number one, that there was a lack of serious violence for 3 weeks in Ottawa, where thousands of people came together, and there was less crime reported than normal. In a regular Stanley Cup riot in Vancouver, in one night, 3 hours, over 200 arrests. In 3 weeks in Ottawa, there's just double-digit arrests, and we don't even know who those people are. Second thing, so important, Canadians need to remember, is on February 13th, so that is the day before the Emergencies Act is invoked, CSIS said that not to invoke the Emergencies Act. They told Cabinet, don't do it because it's going to cause more polarization, more extremist views, because people think the system is broken and they don't trust the system. So don't do it. It's going to cause more problems. What did the government do? Of course, we know they invoked the Emergencies Act. At some point, the government needs to look itself in the mirror and recognize that it is causing these problems. Why did people go to Ottawa to begin with? Why did people support people going to Ottawa via donations? It's because they had enough of the government. I'll say it again. They had enough of government actions, overreach, and they wanted to talk to their politicians. It's time to start healing Canada. We've learned our lesson here. We've learned that we need to hold our government accountable. We have to continue to do that. Stay engaged. Ask the politicians the tough questions about what they plan to do when they're elected, because this is our opportunity to be heard. We can't let this happen again.